Hi, my name is Meera Grover.
I'm Dr. Ganapathy Reddy.
Hi, I'm Meghna.
Hi, my name is Praveen.
My name is Rupesh.
Hi, I'm Brinda.
Hi, this is me, Dr. Madhu Malar.
I'm Shivansh Grover.
My name is Karthik Ramogan.
I am Shiva.
My name is Pratibha.
Myself Kaleeswaran. I'm Ganesh.
Myself, Senthamil.
I'm Prakash.
My name is Rao.
Hi, I am Karne Prakash.
I'm the head of learning and development.
Chairman of Stavit Group of Companies.
I'm a student.
And I'm a life skills and leadership skills trainer.
Work as a VP in a BPO company.
I'm the CEO and founder of The Magic Key and The Magic Journeys.
I'm a physiotherapist, acupuncturist and psychologist.
And I'm from 10th standard.
Country manager in Blue Pearl Partners.
Working as a senior project manager within Cognizant.
I work for an IT company.
Counseling psychologist and corporate training for team building.
Software engineer.
I work as an employee engagement expert for a corporate company.
Trading manager. I'm running a company called Keep Purpose Training Solution.
It was a mind-blowing program.
One thing is the concept of rebuilding relationships. There were few key learning points in this training program that had really hit me.
This program gave me new insights.
I was really surprised to learn about so many things.
Every human being should experience that enlightenment.
I've learned many new concepts, learned many new things about emotions.
I'm just very happy about this program, and this program has changed a lot of things for me.
Kind of an eye-opener for me because I came to understand a lot of new elements.
Which I was not actually thinking in that aspect at all.
Basically say that this is like unraveling, this program was totally like unraveling your subconscious, your unconscious and all your collective consciousness.
Learning about the emotional state and the root cause behind it. This program accesses my deep emotions. Where is my root?
I was able to learn about so many problems, and I am now equipped with all the information to solve these problems if they ever come up in my life.
I am almost 60, but I'm still figuring out and learning what lies ahead of me. I have great gratitude that I am part of this journey right now.
I really came to this program with so much of resistance, and just Sir mentioned about the onion peeling. Definitely Ganesh peeled layer after layer after layer of all my resistance.
What I feel about this program is that it's very enriching and powerful.
My biggest learning from this program was the upward spiral and the downward spiral chart.
About the emotions and how the emotions impacts both the mind and the body.
We all face the same problems more or less regardless of age, but the depth of the problems and the nature of those problems vary slightly in details, but the core concept behind those problems are the same.
Learned for every surface level emotion that we face in our life or we go through in our life, there is a root emotion cause for it.
I was having a lot of emotional baggage in me. Yesterday evening only I felt so much of relaxation, and I had a lot of awareness.
Really eye-opener for me on how to proceed with my emotions and how to unravel my inner self.
I realized that I need to be far more grounded. So it's about grounding, it's about figuring out what my base emotions are, what triggers me, and then find a path around it.
How to get rid of emotional baggage and how to work on your ego.
The top learning I learned in this access your inner power, the self-love and the self-realization, which made me to learn and to be aware about my emotion. My top learning from the program was that the destination keeps changing, but the journey is the only constant. So we need to focus on the journey instead of our destination.
Another thing that I've already practiced is the concept of pain body and how to approach it.
The first person we need to love in our life is ourselves.
I came to understand a lot of new elements which I can generally take into my life, implement and see how I can reap those benefits out of it, right?
Yes, I'm able to access my inner power.
A long-term relationship, when you think that is worthwhile, when you think that is important to you, you need to take the effort to rebuild it multiple times, was a true wow moment for me, and that was a very important takeaway that I'm taking from this program.
I've attended this program for the past 2 days, and I have to say that the experience has been amazing so far.
I have attended so many programs, but this one program, it really making such a wonderful impact on my experience today. And I recommend this to everyone.
If I have to describe this program in one word,
it is insightful.
A learning program.
Eye-opening, entirely about my self-realization.
Learning emotions.
Enhancing the awareness about me and my whole body. It's an eye-opener.
I would say a must attend.
One of the best program I have attended so far.
It's result oriented and it's working.
And if you're someone that has trouble with their emotions, I definitely recommend this program.